Hello soldiers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve AlmaBetter's Module 1, that is Python for Data Science, and the assignment number is 11 and it is about Introduction to Pandas. First, we'll import NumPy as well as Pandas. So let's begin this thing. So till it loads, let me explain you this thing, problem 1. Okay, problem 1, you are given a list of URLs. You need to extract the domain name from the URLs in another list. Also, you need to extract the ending string which the URL ends with. For example, so this is a URL example 1. So in this example, domain name is www.example.com. So this is a domain which we have to extract, and the ending string is PHP. So we are having market.php, so google.com, like that, so and so. So let's run this thing because ours is connected now. So we are having all these URLs. So it's an easy thing. We just have to get this here, blog.hubspot.com. Then this ending string is parts_URL here HTML. So let's bring those all things. Let's do this here. One thing, this is an example 1. So first we'll do this thing. So this is an empty domain list. For element in URL list, domain list.append. So we are just going to split them. First we are going to split them with this double one. Then I'm just going to use this thing -1 dot split with a single one. Then I'm using indexing 0. Here I'm using indexing -1. So what's happening here, I just gave it here. So when we use this thing, we'll be getting this domain name. So we are just going to split them by 2 from the last -1. I'm using indexing negative indexing -1. Then again I'm just going to split them with, so if I split with this double one, I'll be getting this thing, right? Yeah, 1 minute, I'm getting this one, right? Then I'm going to split them with this 1 2. Then I'm using indexing 0. I think you have understood, right? Then I'm just going to print the domain list. After that, ending string list. So here, element in URL list, ending string list dot append, element dot split. So I'm just going to split them again by double this one, then -1. Then I'm going to take this part, then I'm going to split this, then I'm going to take the last one, -1. So then I'm going to split, if here you can see we are having this one, right, that dash minus kind of thing. So I'm going to take that out. Then in some cases we are having this full stop, right? I'm going to take that out. Then I'll be getting this last one here, URL. So here we'll be getting enrollments directly, here HTML, here we'll be getting list. Okay, I'm just going to run this thing. So you got this right? Next, create a pandas data frame with the above 3 list. So I'm just going to use domain list comma ending string list. So that's it. You have here, you just need to use pd.dataframe. This thing will convert this both list into a data frame. That's it. That's it for now. Meet you next video. Till then, bye bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.